Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G13, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open as you can see. And from there, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash with a pop-up with share, edit and delete options, and after a moment this screenshot or visibility of this thing right here will just vanish. And once it vanishes, you can find it in your Photos application right over here. Now in here you can navigate to Library and you will see a screenshot folder. It might not have been there before, but obviously once you create a screenshot it automatically creates one. From here, once you tap on it, there's your screenshot. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.